notice a new IP address trying to send emails on your behalf. How do you verify whether this was a legitimate email or a potential spoofing attempt? By clicking on the IP address, you'll be redirected to the threat intelligence page. And here you'll find the key pieces of information needed to verify the question. Starting off, you'll have the total number of blocklist that the IP address is currently on. 20 is relatively high. In addition to this, you'll have the forward confirmed reverse DNS lookup. So for example, if the attacker was using a VPN, you'll be able to detect it from here. Additionally, because it's cybersecurity and you'll want to be 100% sure, by clicking on Talos, it'll redirect you to the Cisco Talos page. Here, you'll find additional pieces of information that you can use to verify. For example, you have the sender IP reputation being poor, the web reputation being untrusted, and additionally, you'll be able to see different IP addresses and their email reputation as well. With this information, you'll have all you need to verify that this is indeed a spoofing attempt. And by scrolling down, you'll have the option to blocklist this IP address locally.